show you guys how to sell with Selar, how to sell your script, how to sell whatever you want to sell with Selar. And if you have not taken the course or you just come across this video, we have a course at Victory Design. So let me show you quickly. victorydesign.com.ng, and this is part of the course. This is lesson 3, and we're going to make this video actually free, kind of, to actually increase our visibility. Now, while this is loading, the quick one of this is the fact that I want to show you how to start selling with Selar for free. So as you can see, okay, this is still loading. Okay, this is our course platform. I'm having terrible network connection today, so this is our course platform. So you could pick any of the course you feel like learning today and then just start learning. So this is part of what we're doing, and I hope this video actually helps you guys. So now, how do you sell with Selar? So if you want to visit access Selar, just go to www.selar.co or https:/selar.co, and you will welcome on this page that sells the best way to sell your digital product online. And we're going to be selling our digital products online as well. And this is the home page you're going to meet. So as you can see, this is the home page of Selar. So what you have to do after getting to this part is to click on start selling. Now, start selling actually takes you to here you create an account. But before you create an account, please ensure to look at through their pricing, which I think we should do right now. So let's go to pricing, and this gives you an idea of how the platform function, how you can start selling and understand what you are signing up for. So you don't just jump into the platform, but you have to understand what you're signing up for. So as you can see, the starter plan is the one I said you guys can actually use for free. All they have to do is to collect certain percentage. I still have one of these starter plan accounts, and I think if I sell a product of 40,000 naira, they collect 2,000 naira. Now, with that being said, you can also make the how do I call it now? The percentage they collect. You can also make sure that it's your user or your customers that pay for it. Now, what I do now, my customers pay for their own percentage. All they just do is to collect 15 naira per withdrawal. So yes, it's free forever with starter plan. You can sell all kind of products on Selar. You have 40 products. You can sell ebooks, sell your services, sell physical products, sell read online books, read online only books, sell digital products, sell subscriptions, sell tickets, and some of these things here you can actually sell. You can even add Facebook pre-sale to it, but I'm not sure Facebook pre-sale it's actually working. I don't know. So you also have the pro plan. This is 12,000 every month. Then turbo plan 22,000 every month, and then turbo plus plan 50,000 every month. Now, as you can see, everything is other plan. Upload product, unlimited products, and all that. So, but you want to pick on the yearly plan, and at that is very easier to pay for. As you can see, free plan 820,000, 255, and 433. So you pick the plan that actually best suits you, and you click on get started. So for this, you're going to use the free plan to get started. Now, if you are an affiliate or you want to just make money from affiliate, not register with Selar, not sell your product, you don't have any digital product, all you have to do is to just come to this sell affiliate or selar.co, and you'll be welcome with this their affiliate page where you can actually create an account and make money as an affiliate, but by selling other people's products. But for this, you want to sell your own product, so you have to come here, click on get started on the free plan, and they will ask you to register. Now, you have two ways to do this. You can either register by entering your name, your last name, your email address, and your password. Now, as much as this is actually okay, I do not like registering with the name. I don't know, it's not just my thing, because sometimes I forget password and all that, so I don't like registering with name. So what I do is I prefer using the email option. But if that is you prefer your name, you just go to enter your name, John. Let's assume your name is John Doe, and DOE, and just enter your email. So, and then you enter your password and enter your password again, and you're signing. So I prefer any of these three logins. As you can see, any of these three sign up, because it's more easier for me. At least I always have my Google account with me, so it's more easier for me. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google. Okay, so once you click on the sign up, it's supposed to take you to a sign up page. Now it seems I already have an account with them with this email, so it's not going to take me to sign up page. It's going to take me to register page. So I'm going to do to the login page, so or to my dashboard. Sorry, to my dashboard. So I'm going to click on sign up. So you see, it takes me directly to my dashboard, and I'm still going to do that on an incognito device. As you can see, it takes me directly to my dashboard. Now let me go to an incognito window and then paste it, the same thing, and click on register. Now the same thing you see here is what will happen to your own email for the first time, but if you already have login with that email before, you have an account just like that. So now I'm click on sign up with Google, and it's going to pop up and ask me to select my Google account or login with my Google account. So now for this, you have to enter your Google account. So assuming your Google account is John Doe at gmail.com. Now assuming this is a Google account, so you click on next, and then it's enter you. Okay, let's assume this is John. Let's say this is just John. Click on next. Somebody should own this email. So you enter, confirm that you're not a robot. Because I'm using an incognito tab or incognito mode, that is why I'm confirming I'm not a robot. So cars, verify. So now click on next, and it's going to ask you for your password. After password, you'll be taken to your dashboard just like this. So as you can see, this is my own dashboard. Now this is the first part in creating your seller account. As you can see, we just created a seller account, and the first thing you want to do is to go through the setting base. As you see, if you click on the menu on this side, you see a lot of options. So you want to click on the settings, general store settings. So this is where the main thing is. So you want to give your store a name, as you can see. So you want to give your store a name. So this one I called it V3 MLL. So whatever you want to call it, you can call it. Then give your store a username. So let's say this is let's say Victor Store. So then you can say, okay, let me change the username to Vic Shop. Okay, so this is the email address I'm using. So this is the description, store description I am using. Now this is my Instagram name, my TikTok username, YouTube, and all that, my phone number, and I'm going to click on update store, and it's going to update. As you can see now, it's now selar.co/m/Vic Shop, as you can see here. So now you want to come down here and check miscellaneous store settings. Do you want to collect customers mobile number on store checkout form? Do you want to collect customer address? Do you want to collect customer postcode? Show checkout form immediately, use a click buy button. So any of these options you want, you could just tick it just like this, and that is it. So change the general call to action button in your store. Default is buy now, so you can change it to buy now to shop now or add to cart or whatever. Who pays for seller transaction charge? That is the charges I was telling you guys about. So if you want you to be paying for the charge, you click on me. If you want customers, you click on customer. So if you're going to purchase something from here, they're going to add the charges to you as a customer. Enable product cross sell on store page, suggest product bots, show recommended product base. Yes, you can also show actual product bots together. You understand? So you can also show product tags. It will depend on you. Add tags to customer payment on your store. If you want to add tags, you click on it. How much tax are they paying? So they will be paying you tax. If not, you leave it. Show stock category sidebar. Yes. Allow product ratings after purchase. Yes. Show product ratings on store. You can turn it on. I don't like turn it on. Enable course or membership lecture comment and give every affiliate access to your product. Yes. Then you click on update. So this is the general setting right now. We just did the general setting. I don't know, my cursor actually, the system I'm using for this guys is actually a screen touch. So I'm actually using my hands to move the screen, and the cursor is not following. So I hope you actually understanding what I'm doing. And now the next thing is the profile setting. So you click on profile setting. So the full name, you enter it. Now I've actually verified my email, so that's why I'm showing this. So enter your full name, enter your gender, enter your age. So this is a default account, so you can set whatever you want to set. So let's change it to my own here. So let's take it to my here. 90 97. Okay, December. Okay, so then you save it, and it will be saved to your own here of bet. So now the next thing you want to do is to come back here and look your email preference. So each of these settings you want to go through all of them. Send receipt to customer for their purchase, receive email notification, so you can turn on most of these. But for mine, I literally turn most of them off. I don't want seller to be bugging me with a lot of email. So some people just go and check your store, check the price and all that. So I don't want any of this email to disturb my email box. Now the next important thing here is store currency. So what do you want to be your default currency? For me, I'm in Nigeria, I choose NGN. But do you want to be able to set custom amounts for different country? On my main account, I did here so everything, so I can sell to Nigeria at 50,000 naira and sell to USD for $50 as well. So you understand. And sell to you and sell to Ghana for different amounts. So it all depends on what I want and the amount I want to sell for. I don't know if you guys get. So the next thing, once you're done selecting all of them, so you can adjust different price. But if you don't want to adjust the price, you can just leave uncheck them and leave them the way it is. But sometimes due to inflation rate, I prefer that if I'm putting 50,000 naira for a particular script, the next person, the next country USD, I'm also putting $50. So they will see it 50 50 50 50. Okay, they'll be like okay, and they will pay. And then their $50 to my naira could be like 80,000 naira, and my Nigeria people will buy for 50,000 naira. I hope you get, guys. So what currency do you want to disable for your store? Check the currency you want to disable, uncheck it, the ones you don't want to disable. But I like selling to every country. In fact, if I could even sell to China, I could also add that here. But I like selling to everybody here, so I don't want to check this. So go back to your setting again. You want to change your password, you want to add custom domain. Payout settings is the next important thing for me. So the payout, I just use OPay to verify this, so I want it to be automatic, and I just use OPay account to verify this. So the next part you want to do is to go to product. Every other thing here you can figure out yourself. So I already added one product for the demo. So now how do you add a product? So you click on add product, and then it pop-ups this page, and you select what kind of product it is. So I'm going to select a digital product. Now this is a digital product, so I'm going to select the script. Now assuming you already have your script knowing fully well that you've taken the course from the beginning to the end, you know how to get your script and everything. So assuming you already have your scripts and everything, you come here. So you go, let's say this is my script. Now this is the script I want to sell. Let's say this one, this one as well. So this one, let's say these are the scripts I want to sell. Click on open. Now it will upload the image. Now I'm going to call the script name, let's say Ponzi PHP script. So how much price do I want to sell it? Now remember I told you guys that whatever price you put here, that's the price that all currency is going to switch to. So this is it, 50,000. So but you can also check that option that says select individual price for everybody, and then you select your price for each and every one of them. So we'll get to do that later on. Now assuming I want to enter my product description, I could say, let's go to something like this. Whatever you want to write, just write. This is a demo product. I'll delete this later on. So categories, since I'm selling a script, so I'm going to go for tech, software and tech, and this is a script, is obviously programming coding, and then I'm going to select the product. So let's assume this is a product. Let's say this one is the product. I'm going to click on open. So Now once this product upload very well, 119 MB. So once it's approved, we are going to update and I'm going to show you how it looks. So due to a network issue, what we're going to do is I'm going to remove that file and look for something less. Let me see this, something less bulky. Okay, 7 MB. Okay, this is great. So I'm actually having internet trouble, so I'm just going to remove that and upload this, and then this should do. Okay, just 7 MB. Okay, this should be great. And after this, I think I'm going to show you what to do next. So let's just wait for it to upload. Okay, once you see that green line or whatever, that green line that just slide through, you know that it's actually uploaded, and you click on create product. So now your product has actually been created. As you can see, we've successfully created our digital product, and it's actually loading here. If you see here, it's actually loading. So once it's load, okay, congratulations, your product have been added. You can view your product. So let's view the product right now. Okay, so you're going to see that this product is actually everything we just upload. As you can see, this is how it is now. Now the good thing about Selar is you can buy with whatever currency you want. As you can see, with all this currency we saw there, anyone from these countries can buy. Now let's go back. Let me show you basically what I was referring to as. Okay, let's go back. Let me show you what I was referring to when I said you could literally set your basic currency for each country. At least that is actually fair, based on the fact that we are having issue as regarding um inflation due to naira. So let's check each of them. So let's check each of them and update. And now let's go to our shop, go to all products. Now this is the product. Which of them did we just add? This is a problem right now. We just use the same name. Okay, let's edit any of them. Now come here. As you can see, you now see that we can add individual price to each product. So whatever price you want, you can just add it, and then you are good. So guys, this is it. So I think that should be all for Selar. You do not have anything basic or magical here. To view your shop, just click on view shop, or come to your Selar account and click on your menu icon and click on store link, and then you'll be taken to your store. And then on your store browser, you're gonna see the name of your store. So you can see Vic Shop. This is what we have here. So that is part of how you create your Selar store to start selling. So thank you for taking this course or watching. And if you're watching this from any other platform, you could just go to V3 Design, and this is the course we are actually working on right now, script selling business course.